Pomelos and the Harvest Moon. On a special night, the Moon Festival, a big round moon hung in the sky like a glowing lantern. Little Lily sat on a soft mat in the garden. She wore her favorite festival dress, and tiny shoes peeked out from under the hem. Beside her sat her kind and smiling grandfather. He held a big, round pomelo, its skin a bright, cheerful yellow. Grandfather began to peel the pomelo, his fingers moving carefully. The sweet, citrusy smell filled the air. Lily watched, her eyes wide with wonder. "Grandpa," she asked in a small voice, "why do we eat pomelos on this special night?" Grandfather smiled and held up a slice of the fruit. "Look at the pomelo, my sweet Lily," he said. "It is round, just like the full moon. The round shape reminds us of something very important: unity and togetherness. Like the moon, we are a whole family, all together." He handed her a piece, and she took a small bite. It was sweet and juicy, like a little piece of the moon. "So, eating pomelos under the glowing moon is a way to celebrate our family love," Grandfather said, his voice soft and warm. Lily smiled, holding her grandfather's hand.